Hi, let me introduce our TVF series. This is our made in Europe product. We have it available in different pixel pitches going from 0.9, 1.2, 1.5 and 1.8. It's a full stackable zero cabling design, so it means that every 27-inch cabinet can be stacked on top of each other, and you enter on the top or the bottom with your power and signal cable, and there's no cabling on the back side, so it's quite easy to install, and you can also install it quite flush towards the wall, so there's limited depth necessary. Everything can be made redundant as well, both on signal and on power, and it's a full front service solution. So let me demonstrate the front service. So we have this special tool, and we go to the module or to the cabinet that we want to replace. We can easily pick it out, take a spare module and put it back in. It's a full operation, so it's a full hot swappable solution. So on the moment you put back the module inside, it will read back all the settings and you will have a full operational wall again. The solution is used quite a lot in broadcast environments as well, because it has a perfect on-camera performance as well. So as mentioned, they're made in Europe, so this is our premium product, and including with that we also offer with the TVF series our Evercare warranty, meaning from the moment you turn it on until the moment you don't need it anymore, it is covered by warranty, and all the repairs are covered under our lifetime Evercare program. So these are our TVF series.